So my relationship with Data for Policy aligns from the perspective of the Ghana Statistical Service, thinking through how we use data science to improve our day-to-day activities. So a couple of years back when we started engaging, it coincided with when, as a National Statistical Office, we had developed our data science roadmap from two perspectives in terms of how it will improve our operations and technically our work in terms of the production of statistics. The service in recent times have extended its mandate to look at issues related to how data is really transforming lives based on policies that we put out there. So we're not focusing on only the production of statistics, but ensuring that it's influencing lives through the statistics that we put out. As you would agree with me, the work of a National Statistical Office rests on data. So we traditionally are mandated through surveys and censuses to be producing data. But linking it to recent times where non-traditional data sources have come up, and data is a byproduct of a number of activities that institutions engage in, our work has been strengthened from the non-traditional data science perspective, i.e. how we can use big data, how we can use administrative data, how we can use geospatial data to inform the work that we are doing. This is how AI comes into the space, because AI enables us to work better with all these non-traditional data sources, and also to get a sense of how we can oblige with the fundamental principles of official statistics. In Ghana, in the last couple of years, we have intervened from the perspective of using AI for the first time to produce 261 reports for all the metropolitan, municipal and district assemblies. This is because we had access to automation, we had access to languages that could repeat all the reports for all our 261 administrative districts. There is this data set called the automatic identification system, which tracks how ships dock at different ports, and also through AI we're able to analyze that data to give a sense of how we can use a proxy to access Ghana's trade and imports based on the ships that come in and go out. So we are using AI in different respects. What is more important for us is going forward, looking at how we can use data to address the disconnect between data, statistics and policy, and also build a data architecture that would help us integrate different data sets. We need to have our concentration shifting from data production to data stewardship. And now the conversation around AI is more focused on how can we use AI to address issues on producing data in the area of agri health and other socio-economic areas. While that remains important, what we should reflect on is how we can use it to be good stewards of the data that is coming up from different areas. So it will be important, as I indicated, to see how we can prevent the misuse of statistics. Once we build this central data repository, we will need the tools of AI to help us identify those disconnects that I talked about earlier on.